Hello YouTube, welcome to King Codes. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about how to blink an LED with an Arduino. Let's get started. The things that you'll require for this project are an LED, an Arduino, a breadboard, a 220 ohm resistor, and 2 jumper wires. As you can see on this LED, there are 2 legs. The longer leg is the positive leg and the shorter leg is the negative leg. So we'll be turning the positive leg towards the left and then we'll be connecting that to the breadboard. And then the resistor, I'm going to connect it with the one of the positive legs on the LED, and the other leg of the resistor, it goes anywhere on the breadboard. So you can connect this 220 ohm resistor to either the positive side of the LED or the negative side, it doesn't matter. The other leg of the resistor, I'll connect that to digital pin number 8. Now there is one more leg remaining on the LED, which is the negative leg. The negative leg, it will be connected to the ground pin on the Arduino. Now our circuit is complete. Now let's move on to the coding section. As you can see on the screen, I've initialized the LED pin to digital pin number 8, and then on the void setup, so void setup, it only runs once. What I've done is I've initialized the pin mode, the LED's pin mode to output, because we'll be getting an output from the LED. And in the void loop section, that void loop section, it keeps running forever. So what I've done is, first of all, I've turned the LED on, and then I've delayed that for 1000 milliseconds, and then I've turned it off, and then I've delayed that again for another 1000 milliseconds. So what it does is it turns it on and turns it off, so it keeps the LED blinking forever. So once I press this arrow key on top, I'll upload the code to the Arduino. Now we can check if our code works or not. So as you can see, the LED is consistently blinking. Once you know how to blink one LED, you can extend the circuit and you can add multiple LEDs. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be adding the link to the code in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.